loaded with essential oils and extracts that are painstakingly sourced from organic farms to soothe and treat your skin while the best retinol 2.5% cream on the market provides anti-aging effects to decrease fine lines and wrinkles. If you want more advice on how to retinol skin care, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. More beauty cream videos are coming soon. If you seriously want this product, please click the link in the description below. Product details. 1. Highly concentrated retinol 2.5% 2. Helps improve skin texture and maintain a healthy glow. 3. Targets fine lines and wrinkles. 4. Stimulates collagen production. 5. May lessen the appearance of brown spots. 6. Helps diminish acne and hydrates skin. 7. Over 70% of organic ingredients. 8. Not tested on animals. 9. 1.7 fluid ounces airless pump jar. 10. Made in the USA. The active ingredient, retinol, makes My Beauty Secrets Retinol 2.5% anti-aging cream the most effective anti-aging serum available in today's market. Scientists and dermatologists agree that retinol improves skin damaged by age and exposure, replenishing and rebuilding the dermis on a cellular level, stimulating the body's own healing powers. By harnessing the power of skin to rejuvenate and rebuild, retinol is highly effective in increasing the levels of healing collagen, the natural substance that makes the skin firm and young-looking. By reducing the appearance of blemishes, fine lines and wrinkles and improving tone and texture, My Beauty Secrets Retinol 2.5% anti-aging cream gives your face a healthy radiance. Available without a prescription, this extraordinary cream is a powerful blend of superior ingredients, including retinol, that leads the market in re-establishing youthful skin. Derived from vitamin A, retinol is a revolutionary treatment for erasing skin damage and the effects of aging as well as reducing the size of pores. The most vital element of this revolutionary formula, retinol, is recommended most often by dermatologists for fighting the effects of aging on the skin. Other potent ingredients in this cutting-edge formula include hexapeptide11, panthenol and green tea extract. Exclusive trial offer today. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.